Hi, my name is Sarah Pick and I work in the Beef and Lamb Knowledge Exchange team at AHDB. I'm a beef farmer's daughter and very passionate about the suckler industry. I recently completed a Nuffield farming scholarship where I travelled to lots of different countries, including the US, Canada and Australia, looking at different suckler systems and what we could learn here. What I found was that compared to other countries, the UK suckler industry is quite focused on terminal traits, and that includes things like growth rates and carcass traits. And often we forget about selecting for maternal performance, and that's fertility and age at first calving. This really needs to change, and that's why the AHDB Maternal Matters campaign has been developed. It's now time to focus on the female.
Hi, I'm Emma and I work for AHDB Beef and Lamb. Maternal Matters will work to promote the production of heifers that are efficient, profitable and fit for the future. Over the next couple of years we'll be following a heifer's journey to becoming a profitable suckler cow, looking at everything from choosing breeding stock to breed replacements from, to calving at 2, to successfully rebreeding by 3. We'll be kicking off this September with a social media campaign with farmers sharing their top tips for calving at 2 using the hashtag Maternal Matters. Please use the hashtag to follow us and please do get involved and share your top tips as well. We'll also be providing plenty of content with our press partner Farmers Weekly, and on the 23rd of September we'll have a webinar with Nuffield scholar Stephen Sanderson looking at KPIs, cost savers and profit drivers in the suckler herd. To get involved with Maternal Matters and for some really useful content on how to improve your suckler herd, please go to ahdb.org.uk/maternal-matters.